Guys, today it's me, Mariel PS4TV, and well, I want to make this video because I want to trade with and Forever You and I think. Yes, and Forever You and I. Well, I want to trade with her, like her pink cat. Yeah, I love this cat, but yeah, I just love this cat. So, I will show you the LPS. We can trade. Okay, so there are 12 LPS again. So, let me show you them. It's this little bee. It's yellow, and it has no colors. I mean, this is really clean. And then it's this cute puppy. It's white, and it don't have colors too. They're in the both really clean. So, thanks for watching, and please, and Forever You and I, please trade with me. Yeah, if you trade with me, I will say a big thank you. Okay, so, yeah. Bye! Mwah.